The 3 vegetarian steak. The crunchy cabbage steak. The crispy cauliflower steak. And the tender broccoli steak. To start with, we need to chop about 250 grams of cabbage. You can boil the cabbage, the cauliflower, and the broccoli for 10 minutes before proceed boil. But I prefer the crunchy taste of such vegetables. Add 3 eggs to the chopped cabbage. Add 1 teaspoon of red pepper. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin. Add 1 teaspoon of hot paprika. Add 3 tablespoons of chopped parsley. Finally, add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Mix them up together very well. Sprinkle some salt as desired. Mix and put aside to marinate. We do the same with the cauliflower. About 250 grams will make 1 plate. Trim only the cauliflower ends. Do not use the hard part. Chop them into smaller pieces. One teaspoon of red pepper. 1 teaspoon of cumin. 1 teaspoon of paprika. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. 3 tablespoons of chopped parsley. 3 eggs. and 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. They don't have to be in the same order. Sprinkle some salt as desired. Mix and put aside to marinate. Also do the same with the broccoli. The smaller the pieces, the better. Again, add the 3 eggs, red pepper, cumin, hot paprika, black pepper, chopped parsley, all-purpose flour, salt. Mix them together and put aside to marinate for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, prepare the frying pan on medium heat and pour some olive oil to start with. Put about 1 tablespoon of the cabbage mix to the hot olive oil. Put another 1 and fry slowly. Using the spatula, press gently on each piece. After a couple of minutes, turn over to the other side. Do the same to the other one. You can make smaller pieces like these two. Or you can pour the whole cabbage mix as I shall do later. Once golden brown, remove and place it on the paper towel to absorb the oil. I did the same thing with the broccoli steak. Now, I poured the whole lot of broccoli mixture. Oh, the sizzling sound, along with its smell, is very delicious. Turn it over to the other side. Wow! Look at this massive piece of broccoli steak. Do the same thing with the cauliflower steak. Using a plate, turn over to the other side. Please, make sure to drain any extra hot oil remains in the frying pan before you turn over. After a couple of minutes, slide the cauliflower steak on a plate with a paper towel on. Finally, pour the whole lot of cabbage mixture into the frying pan. And do the same as we did previously. One complete crispy piece of steak. At last, we have the 3 Musketeers. The tender broccoli steak. The crispy cauliflower steak. And the crunchy cabbage steak. This recipe wouldn't be completed without the yogurt garlic sauce. In order to make a dip dish, we need to peel and dice 1 piece of cucumber. Mince 3 garlic cloves. Add about 150 grams, about 5 ounces of fresh yogurt. Use a fork for mixing. Add some dill as well. Unfortunately, I had some frozen. I have to taste my own cooking, and before the Triplet judges arrive. I will start with the tender broccoli steak. The yogurt garlic sauce is just right for the steaks. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the 3 Musketeers recipe.
judges are Mr. Cauliflower, Mr. Broccoli, and Mr. Cabbage. The Triplet King here today to taste the food. The food is called the vegetarian steak. Yes, it's better than meat. They have given thumbs up. They seem to love it. Mission accomplished.